Hi everybody, so I am back again today with another video. Please excuse Mickey over here. He is in the camera filming range. But I am back here today with a box from Zoya. Over the past, oh gosh, maybe it was just a weekend. I'm not really sure how long it lasted. They had a sale where if you bought, I believe it was 2 polishes, you got 3 lipsticks for free, but then they had free shipping, so I added another polish and got the free shipping. So I'm going to open my box with you guys today. I've already opened up the box and pulled out my order number and all that info so you don't see my address, but here's just a little packaging slip that came on top, and I should have brought a box over here to dump these peanuts in. I think I still have one from my last video. So let's get some of these peanuts out of the way, because I don't want these scattered everywhere. So I already see one box up on the top here. I am losing peanuts as I'm unpacking, which is fantastic. So here is this box, and I've never ordered anything from Zoya before. This is my first purchase with them, so I'm super interested to find out what Zoya is all about. So here is the box. This feels like nail polish because it's a bit weightier. Just some info, 10 free breathable formula. I don't know if you guys can read that really well. Zoya nail polish is supposed to have 10 things that are not in them that normal nail polishes have. So they're supposed to be better for your nails, I guess. But let's see if there's any kind of difference. So let's open this up here. So there's 2 in here, so I'm hoping there's 1 in there. So the first one here is this orange. This is super pretty. Does it say the name on the bottom? Yes. So I do not know how to pronounce this. Let's see if I can get it to focus. Thandine, I guess maybe is the name. But here is our first one, and it is an orange. Let me shake this and hopefully not shake the camera. So let's open this up. I wonder, it does have quite the nail polish smell, so I guess that doesn't make much of a difference. I'm just going ahead and kind of swatching this on my nail so you can see it, and no, this will not be the greatest painting job of my lifetime, so forgive me for that. Try and get some of this excess off of here because it seems very, very thick. So here it is against my nail. Let me wipe that off a little bit. So there is the orange. I'm hoping this is focusing well enough. So there is the orange. Each of these nail polishes is $10 a piece, but I believe they have a sale right now. I'm shaking this one up as I'm talking and getting orange on the bottle. Not a good idea. Where you get 6 for half off. So it's $30. So this is our next one. I'm just talking crazy because I'm trying to paint my nails and live with the smell. This is Troy, and it's a little hard to see the label there. I'm not sure if the camera's going to focus really well, but this was supposed to be one of those that I don't know how to explain it. It always looks like an oil slick kind of thing to me. I really like this one so far. It's not always super easy to do this around the camera, so forgive me if it's a little crazy. Not super good with steadying my hands either to paint my nails, so there's that. So here again was the nail polish. Here it is on my finger. So I do really like this quite a bit. Looks really nice. So let's get into here. And I can see there is a lipstick sticking out the bottom here. Let's see if I can just go ahead and push these out of the paper. Maybe I should have waited to paint my nails and just inserted something in here, but you know, let's turn this around. So there's the Zoya box. So this should be my last nail polish, and this is Ryan. I was trying to read the box. So let's open this up and see what color Ryan is. Okay. I had a really hard time picking colors, because there were so many. Please excuse the orange on my finger, because I got it on the side of the other bottle. I had a really hard time picking colors because there were so many pretty colors, and I think I'm going to have to do the half off sale and show you guys some more. So let's paint this. The half off sale, while I'm doing this, I'll talk about. They want you to send in your old nail polish so that it can be recycled in the proper way instead of just being thrown into the trash can, which apparently is not good for the environment. So you get half off for returning your old nail polish, not returning, but disposing of them correctly, even though you don't have to actually send them your nail polish. So it's kind of an interesting thing they do. So there is Ryan, and there it is on my finger, even though I've just chipped it with my other finger. The struggles of filming. So there is the other one. Let's see if I can get that in a little bit better color. The camera doesn't seem to focus very well today. Maybe it's the writing on the box. There's Ryan, and there are our three colors. I should have painted it up here, but I didn't think about it, so like I said, I got the 2 nail polishes, and then I bought the third for free shipping, and I got the 3 lipsticks here for free. So we're going to open these up. This is Melly, so let's open this up. And like I said, I've never bought Zoya products before, so this is all brand new to me. Get this open here. So these are teeny tiny bottles. Very, very small. So here is Melly. I'll go ahead and swatch this on the back of my hand. So these are super pigmented, and they are very soft. So I do like this one quite a bit. Let's open up our next one. I'm not sure if that bottle just closed or not, which makes me a little bit nervous. So this is Belle, if it will focus. And I stopped getting nail polish on my hands. I don't think it's going to focus. Thank you, iPhone. I love an iPhone. Alright, so pull this out here and open it up. So this is Belle. Belle, yes, I think I said. Melly and Belle, and I don't know, they all just sound so similar at this point. I've opened up like 20 lipsticks in the past few days for this channel, so a little crazy. So there it is in the pink. I like the pink quite a bit. I like that this one's a berry and this one's more of a pink. Our last one here is Georgia. I don't know how well this is going to focus, but at least if it doesn't focus on the box, you can see it on my hand at the end. Pull out Georgia here. So this is definitely a dark red. Let's go ahead and swatch it. I'm going to swatch it above this one. So Georgia on the top, Melly in the middle, and Belle on the bottom. I think Melly has to be my favorite. I think so. But I really like all of them. I think they're super pretty. So there is my Zoya sale products. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll leave information down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you again next time. Bye!